Welcome back, ecologists. You just answered the question, what problem will we be solving and why does it matter? If you answered that we need to figure out why the biodome failed, you are correct. Thinking about why it matters, there's three possible correct responses. First, it matters because we're trying to figure out how to survive in space. It also matters because we want to learn more about Earth and its ecosystems. And it matters because we need to know what went wrong in order to try again. If you have any of those three answers, you are correct. That brings us to our aim for today. Kipsters will be able to generate initial ideas about what caused the biodome to collapse. Scientists do research before they generate their hypotheses, and we're going to follow that practice today, which means we need to dive in and get some more information about this biodome. So 5 years ago, a local group called the Econauts began the project to determine if humans could survive on another planet. They constructed a biodome, an ecosystem inside a glass dome larger than a football field. The ecosystem was filled with plants, animals, and a volunteer group of 8 humans. For the first few years, the plants and animals inside the biodome seemed pretty healthy and normal. In the last few years, however, the Econauts began to notice some problems. Animals were getting sick and failing to reproduce. Plants weren't growing as big or producing as much fruit as they once did. The Econauts realized that something had gone wrong. Although the organisms were safely removed from the biodome, the cause of these problems is still a mystery. Now, the Econauts want to build another biodome, but first they need to understand what went wrong with this one. Please help solve this mystery. And this brings us to our Chapter 1 question. Why didn't the plants and animals in the biodome have enough energy storage molecules? Now I want to pause, take a step back, and have you think. On your Google Doc, you'll be navigating to the second box, number 2, Stop and Jot. What even is the connection between energy storage molecules and plants that do not grow and animals that do not reproduce? Please take a moment to answer this question on your assignment, and when you're done, click the link below to move on to the final portion of our lesson.